A quick follow-up to my first Rumble video, evidence why Rumble can't survive. I'm going to show you why I believe Rumble's going to $1. I'm going to prove it to you unequivocally, is that a real word? Yes, it is. Unequivocally, I can't even say it, why I believe Rumble can't survive and why it will go either to $1 or ultimately out of business. I'm going to prove it to you right now. No one knows more about Rumble than I do, really, because I'm live on Rumble every day. I've spoken to the CEO, Chris Pavlovsky. I've featured on the homepage of Rumble in the live section and the finance section, and this is the proof of it. Rumble says it is a free speech platform. There's only one free speech platform in the world, and that's my platform, Live Streamer Cafe. You can go live, do what you want, and we don't rely on advertisers, so we're not influenced in any way. And the people that stream make the money, not me. I give it to you. It's my gift. If you want that link, click above my head, livestreamercafe.com. That's the only free service in the world that actually makes money for the creator, not me. I give it to you for free. Rumble, however, relies on advertisers. And people vote aggressively on Rumble. They're either one side of the argument or the other. They either hate Donald Trump. They either love Donald Trump or they don't watch. So you've lost half your audience. Russell Brand says, I want to free the world and be a free speaking person. All the advertisers removed the funding from his channel on YouTube. Now they're doing it on Rumble. You can't change the system, right? And this is it. People who use Rumble vote aggressively with their ideas. It's protesting, unfortunately, and I'm going to prove it to you right now, show you what I mean. Because if you sell yourself as a free speaking platform, but you're putting your money on one side of the argument, which is what Rumble do, you are not really as open as you think you are, because the people that watch are only one side of the argument, and they're the sort of people that vote aggressively. Like the people that support, certain people that support Donald Trump are very passionate about it. And there's no discussion, there's no debate, it's just one way or the highway. Rumble is the same. This morning, I had a really good audience on Rumble. I had like 20 odd people watching me at one point. I started saying that Rumble isn't as free as you think it is, and the stock's going to zero. And look, it's gone to 2. Even though I'm on the homepage of Rumble, is it really free and open-minded? Are the people free and open-minded? No, because an open debate, open business is when anyone can speak, anyone is listened, and everyone debates. When you have an argument where it's one side or the other, and you've just got a few people, because it's literally half the audience, a few people saying one side of the argument, nobody's debating you. They just don't want to get involved. Like the Truth Social. Truth Social is only one side of the argument. There's no debate going on, which means there's no big business. The big businesses aren't going to back the events, which is what's happening with Russell Brand. They're taking it off Rumble. Even though he's on Rumble, they're not going to put ads. They're not going to sponsor it. You've lost all your funds. And this proves it. Because when I said this morning, that a business model like this cannot survive in this world as it is, everybody left. Everybody left their own platform, which they want to be successful, want to make money as an investor. They left. So no one's now watching my show on Rumble. 2 people are. So I'm not making any money. Rumble isn't making any money because they're not showing any ads to anybody. Losing. The only way a business can survive or a platform can thrive is if it's open to everyone, the global market, everyone's opinions are listened to. And also, there is a debate. So if you say something, someone can debate and go, I don't agree. If you are the sort of person that only ever reads one side of the argument. Let's say, for example, you are a Republican and you only read literature and books all about being a great Republican. You don't know what the other side of the argument is. You don't learn anything. You're just brainwashing yourself. If you are a Democrat and all you read is Democrat information, you don't listen to the other side of the argument. You don't learn anything. And if you don't learn anything, you don't grow. And if you don't grow, you're not a business. If you're not a business, why are we investing in it? So this is why I think Rumble cannot survive in this situation. So I think that proves my point. Beyond a shadow of a doubt, there's only 2 people left, and I bet any money you like, they are my people from YouTube who are watching me on YouTube, who are supporting me here because they want to help me grow, and they're just supporting me. I think the Rumble audience have left because the Rumble audience want it one way or the other. We've seen Matt Cause talking on Rumble, promoting Rumble, saying how great it is, rather than how it actually is. How it actually is it doesn't make any money for me as a creator on Rumble, doesn't make Rumble any money. And as soon as I say it's not great, everyone leaves. That's the same as if I went on Truth Social and if I said, and I'm not politically biased either way, if I went on Rumble or if I go on the Truth Social and say I don't like Donald Trump, no one would listen to me. No one will have a conversation with me. I will have no audience. So I have to be on one side or the other. So a business model like this can never, ever survive. It's purely a protest, and protests will never win. So I'm going to back up my argument with my own money and lose money of my own right now to prove what I'm saying is true. Rumble right now, I am down 14%. 14%. I'm down $81. I believe that Rumble can now go to zero. Here is my position. I don't want to sell for a loss, but that's exactly what I'm going to do, because right now it's down 14%. Trade, sell all, $462, sold. I've just lost $70 and I've sold it all. There's no point me owning it. Now, unlike Matt Cause, unlike Donald Trump, unlike Russell Brand, will they go live on Rumble when it loses money, when it makes them no money? I will. I'm live there right now. But will I lose my audience? Well, apparently, according to the system, I'm supposed to be a free-minded channel and I can say what I like, but yet the audience don't want to hear it. They want to hear their side of the argument, nothing else. So there you go. I've just lost $78, 14% of my investment, because I'm standing by what I say, even though I've lost money, even though I get no money, even though there's nobody listening now, I'm remaining honest and truthful. I don't think Rumble can survive because we live in a world now of big tech which wants to control the narrative. However, you can beat the system as long as you're prepared to do it for the community and not the money. Russell Brand makes a lot of money from his broadcast. Will he do it now he's not making any money? Donald Trump makes a lot of money. Will he do it if he doesn't make any money? Well, I've just proved to you, not only do I do it to nobody because they don't like my content, what I'm saying, I also sold for a loss because my commitment is to the truth. There you go. So there's my thoughts on Rumble today. Click above my head if you want to vote on my poll on X. I wonder if anybody will watch this video. I have no idea. Click it above my head and more videos over here in the series. And that's what I think of Rumble. Leave me your thoughts below. Take care of yourselves and each other.